Hello mga pangga! Welcome back to my channel. This is our for the Canadian Bisdak. Today I am going to make a chocolate cupcake. It's basically a chocolate cake recipe. I put it in a cupcake mold so it becomes a cupcake. I think it's the same. I've been making cakes, chocolate cakes since 2004 until now, and so far this is the best. To start with, if you're going to bake this, you have to preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit and prepare your baking cups or your cupcake cups. I am going to steam this, so I am going to prepare my steamer. Let's go. I am using a silicone cupcake mold and these beautiful foil-lined paper cups. Because it is tightly packed, so I loosen it a little bit by doing like this so that it will be easy to separate them. And throw them into the air. Oops, it didn't land well. I have to fix them. We need to grease the baking cups because this is a foil-lined baking cups so that our batter or our cupcake will not stick to it. So let's prepare our chocolate cupcake batter or our chocolate cake batter. So please refer to the description box below for the list of the ingredients and the measurement. So we are going to combine all the dry ingredients and sieve them all together. This is to ensure that we will have no flour pockets and flour lumps when we mix the dry and the liquid ingredients. As you can see, the brown sugar and the cocoa powder are very lumpy, so it would be very difficult to break them when they are already mixed with the liquid ingredients. That's why sifting is a very important process on baking. After the sifting, we are going to stir it to make sure that all ingredients are well combined and make a well at the center for the liquid ingredients. Now we're gonna add our liquid ingredients. We have oil, the milk, the eggs, and our flavoring. Now we are going to mix this mixture thoroughly, making sure that there is no flour lumps or flour packets at the bottom of the bowl. Now, the most important part of these ingredients is the hot coffee. The hot coffee must be added on the latter part. We are going to add white vinegar, or you can add white vinegar into the milk to make it a buttermilk. But if you do that, you must not add it into the hot coffee anymore. Pour the hot coffee gradually into the batter while mixing it at the same time. Mixing while pouring is to make sure that the batter will not be cooked because the hot coffee is extremely hot, and if you don't mix it right away, it will cook some or part of the batter. Of course, we do not want any solid stuff in our cupcakes. We want it smooth, right? Yeah, that's why we have to pour the coffee gradually. This batter is very liquidy, as you can see. So at first, I was so afraid that it would not work. But I was blown away with the result. It was the best, as in like the best, like I never had it before. Now the water must be at the boiling point before you add or you put the steamer on. I steam it on medium heat for about 15 to 25 minutes, or when the toothpick inserted comes out clean. And this is the result of the liquidy chocolate batter. It is beautiful and rich in chocolatey flavor. The rest of the chocolate batter, I added extra flour and it didn't turn out good. It looks like this, it's still a cake, but the richness of the chocolate flavor is gone. Now it is time to make the cream cheese frosting. Check the description box below for the list of ingredients and the measurement. We're going to whip this cream thoroughly until it becomes light and fluffy. Scraping the sides of the bowl from time to time to make sure that all ingredients are well combined. Once it's light and fluffy, we're gonna add the powdered sugar and the flavoring, which is lemon juice. I love the lemon juice because it tones down the sharpness of the sugary taste. Continue whipping until a hard peak forms. Then transfer it into a piping bag with your desired tips on. I love the cream cheese frosting. It's simply because I do not like a buttercream frosting. Buttercream is too buttery for me. Although this has butter too, but only a tablespoon. So it has very little butter. It's more on cream cheese. Plus the lemon juice, it takes this frosting into a different level. It's so delicious. Oh no, I'm running out of frosting. But it's okay, I just have to push it, squish it really hard. Yeah, it should work. That's okay, that's good. There you go, it is very pretty and we're going to top it with strawberries. I'm sure your family, your friends, and your kids will love this.
Mama, can I have the orange? I want the king. I want the king.
So mga pangga, if you're going to make this recipe, do not add any extra flour just like I did. Keep it as is mga pangga. That is all mga pangga. Thank you so much for coming. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. And also don't forget to check out my other recipes on the left and on the right. They are tried and tested and delicious recipes. And I will see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.